Hello, everyone. Welcome to our class of Microsoft PowerPoint for learning all the basics. This is a beginner level class, so if you are planning to learn Microsoft PowerPoint, then you are in the right place. Because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started with Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's take a look at what you will learn in class. Introduction to PowerPoint, new slides and clipboard, font and paragraph, drawing and rest of the home menu, tables and images, table layout and image format, illustration, link and comments, text, symbol, and media, designing your presentation, transitions, and animation. After completing this class, you will be able to navigate and create presentation, add slides and manage content, format text and paragraphs, use drawing tools and home menu features, insert and format tables and images, customize table layouts and image formatting, add illustration links and comments, insert text, symbol, and media, design presentation, apply transitions, add and customize your animations. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So what you have learned, you will be able to participate in class project and you can practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you out. So let's start learning the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint together.